The guy with the brother and the glass.
I got the blue tips. Guys, as you guys can see, I got the Buzz Lightyear. This is so much rockets. I think it's about maybe 40 or 30-ish. So all I'm gonna do for y'all, and since I hit my 1,000 subscribers, I'm just gonna make this a special and just burn all of them for you guys. So thank you guys so much. Let's get to the point and let's burn. Yeah. This is for y'all. Alright, so the thing that sucks with these fucking rockets is taking out the caps. The caps is the part that sucks, but we'll get there. Stay tuned. Alright, we got all the caps out. I don't even know what to do with these, but we could probably use these as a what this. Meanwhile, fucking filling these on the counting.
33.
33? Fuck, I thought I had more. Alright, that's cool. So we're gonna light 33 of them for my 1K special. So thank you guys for subscribing and giving me much love, such as Philly D himself and everybody else in the Pyro universe. So let's get it, and then we're gonna light them up, right?
Celebrating Operator Pyro just hit the 1K subs, baby. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the homie Operator Pyro. We got 33 of these bad boys about to go up. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, baby. You got the other last one?
Yeah. Fun.
We're gonna light all of them. What is it, 33 of them? Boom, 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 boom. I just lit them in my hands like
There's no way you're gonna be able to hit all of them though.
Yeah. I have to be better than Cody B. We love Cody B.
I haven't watched Cody B in forever. I haven't watched anyone, dog.
What the fuck? I thought you were watching me. Oh yeah. We got the blue tips. Jeez. Oh yeah, blue balls. That's what she said. Oh, look at the shoes. Let's get the torch. What the fuck was that? Wait. Let me start from this way. Alright.
Shout out to Operator Pyro. We celebrate 1,000 subs, baby.
Yee!
You already know.
I forgot. I was just lighting shit. Alright. Nice. 1K, bitch! No, I'm just kidding. Hell yeah, what the fuck? Nice. Thank you, guys.
Celebrate 1,000 subs, baby. You already know. I forgot.
I was lighting shit. Let me start from this way. Alright.
Shout out to Operator Pyro. We celebrate 1,000 subs, baby.
Yee!
You already know.
I forgot. I was just lighting shit. Alright.
Sheesh. Let's get it. Yeah, baby.